What is this? Oh God, oh my God. So these boys here, these criminals here. Is it what? Oh my God.
Hey, is it not this but the white cloth that this woman is using?
I don't blame you guys because man like you live the same yard with you criminals. You think you can behave anyhow or you can do my things anyhow. Nonsense. Try it, let me show you something. Nonsense. Do you know how much I bought this lot? Look at this rack here. Let me see this rack here again. Criminals. Hey!
Uncle Whitey, this Madam Q go and remove all your clothes and throw it on the ground.
When I remove all my clothes and throw it on the ground, Chineke, you know you have heard this. I've killed some. I told you because of this woman I'm doing press of everything. Let's go! Let's go! Hey! This one is giving me my trouble. Look at Jesus. My clothes. Do you know how much I bought this clothes?
Gee, what is happening here?
I will do it in this compound. It's because of you I'm doing press up every day.
Hey!
Do you know how much I bought this clothes?
Hey!
It's because of you I'm doing press up every day.
Come and hold me now because I will destroy
I hear
somebody.
that you.
I will swallow you. Get out from that place.
You can break things, you can break iron. You! Look at this woman. Look at this woman. Leave my clothes alone. I said leave my clothes. Chineke.
How many times will they tell you before you know that
Take this trash here. Take it out of this place. Let me see who speak.
Uncle, can you see me? Uncle Whitey is dead.
Whitey, dead. Whitey, can you see me? Whitey, can you see me? It's like this guy is dead though.
oh my God.
This guy is dead though.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? They say, oh, Abumu don't too much.
Thanks for watching Shine Comedy. See you next Saturday. Please subscribe.